Now we are.
Say something.
Hi, Bree. I just say something. You said hi, Bree. Retardation 101. You're not a retard.
Ew. You're like tonguing the camera.
Okie dokie.
Lily, would you like to practice?
It's a doily.
What's a doily?
That's a doily.
No, what is it?
You put it under stuff.
Doily.
Hey, my phone is vibrating.
Really? Here, take the camera.
Oh?
Oh, Deandra.
Oh.
I am going to the girls. Are we seeing at the girls or guys game?
Guys.
What?
I think. Ooh, let's look at this magazine. Ooh. See?
Maybe we are seeing at the girls game.
Show
Hurry,
your
practice,
body.
'cause it says 5 o'clock in my clock and it's